everybody, another up close and personal. This one's a super special one. Sands of Time, D-Day, 60th anniversary, 2004, number 4016. Now 10,000. Here we go. And this is what Black Crackle looks like up close, along with the smooth metal surface for the printing. I had no idea Black Crackle looks like that up close. That looks really cool. That is really cool. I'd say out of the 19, 20-something videos I've done so far, I like this one. Those little swirlies of the Black Crackle. So clean cut. Now for anybody who does have the Zippo, it is awesome. Yeah, the box comes with a vial of sand from the beaches of Normandy. I got that nice and stored away in bubble wrap at home. All right. Thank you very much, everybody.